Hello students, today I will start chapter number 16 playing with number. Let's see the exercise number 16.1. Find the values of the letter in the following and give reason for the steps involved. You can see here is the 3a and 2 5, then b and 2. That means we have to find out the value of a here and then we have to find out the value of b here. Let's see the solution of this question. Students, when we put instead of a, that means 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let's see, if we put here 1, that means 1 plus 5, that means 6, but here is 2, so we can't put here 1. Similarly, if we assume here 2, that means 2 plus 5, that means 7, so here is the value of 2, that means we can't put 2 here. Let's put the value 3 here. 3 plus 5, that means 8, so we can't put here 3 also. Similarly, if we put here 7, that means 7 plus 5, that means 12. 12 means 2 should be written here and 1 should be here as a carry. That means 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3, that means 4, and 4 plus 2, that means 4 plus 2 means 6. So B's value will be 6 and similarly A's value will be 7. So according to the solution, what will be the value of A? 7, and what will be the value of B? 6. I hope now you are able to solve question number 1. Let's see the question number 2. Similarly, we have to find out the value of A, B and C in this question. Let's put the value of A. If we put 1 here, that means 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8 means 9, but here is the value 3, so we can't put here 1. Similarly, if we assume here 2, that means 2 plus 8, that means 10, so it should be here 0, but here is the value of 3, so we can't put here 2 also. If we put here 3, 3 plus 8, that means 11, but here is 3, so we can't put here 3. Similarly, if we put here 5, 5 plus 8, that means 13, so we can put here 5, so A's value is 5. 5 plus 8, that means 13, so carry is 1. 1 plus 4, 5, and 9 plus 5, that means 14, so here is the value 4 and 1 should be in the carry, so C's value is 1. So here is the 1, here is the 4, and here is the value 5. That means A's value is 5. Let's see the solution. A's value is 5, B's value will be 4 and C's value will be 1. Students, in this solution, firstly you have to try to put the value of A, that means 1 2 3 4 5. Then you can find the value of 5 will be satisfy in this solution, because 5 plus 8, that means 13. You can see here 5 plus 8, that means 13. So one's place should be 3, so 1 should be in the carry, because when we putting 3, the carry over 1, so 1 from 1 we can get here value of B, that means 4, and similarly from C's value will be 1. So answers are A is equal to 5, B is equal to 4 and C is equal to 1. Let's see the next solution. In this question, you have to also find out the value of A here. That means, let's see the solution. On putting A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, we can get, if we put the value of A here 6, that means let's see. If we put the value of 6 here, 6 6 are 36, that means you can see all values are same, and 6 1 just 6 plus 3, that means value is 9 here, so it is satisfied. So that means if we put A is equal to 6, if we put A is equal to 6, then we can get the solution of this question. But we can't put here 1 2 3 4 5 and 7, so one's place value will be 6, that means A is equal to 6 is the answer of this question. Let's see the next question. Similarly, A, B and A, that means in this question we have to find out the value of A, B and A. Let's see the solution of this question. In this question, firstly we will assume the value of B here. if we observe that b is equal to 5, that means 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. So 5 plus 7, that means 12. 2 should be noted is here, and when here is carry, 1 plus 1 plus 3, that means 4, and answer should be 6. That means here is the answer 2, because 1 is already there. 1 plus 3, that means 4. So remaining digit is 2. So A's value will be 2 and B's value will be 5. Let's see the next question. Similarly, in this question, we have to find out the value of A, B and C. If we put B is equal to 0, that means 0 into 3, that means 0. So 0 here and 0 here. Then 3 multiply A, that means 3 5s are 15. If we put here 5, then we can see here 15 will be there. So answers are very easy in this question because the normal digits are here. So A's value is 5, B's value is 0 and C's value will be 1. Now student, let's see the question number 7. Find the values of the letter in the following question and give reason for the steps involved. Student, here is the value of A, then B, then in the answers all B's are there. That means B's value will be same in each and every steps. Let's see the solution. If we put B as 1, 2, 3 and 4, then we can assume if we put here 4, that means 6 4s are 24. You can see here 4 if we put here, and then 6 4s are 24, that means 4 is also here. And if we put here 7, so 6 7s are 42 and 4 is already here, 10 2 is here as a carry, that means 6 7s are 42 plus 2, that means 44, that means 4 is again here, and 44 4 should be noted here, and 4 is going as a carry, that means 4 is again here. So what will be the value of B? B's value will be 4, and similarly what will be the value of A? A's value will be 7 here. I hope now you can solve the question number 7 also. Let's see the question number 8. Find the value of the letter in the following and give reason for the steps involved. This question is very easy. 1 plus B. If we put the value of B as a 9, that means 1 plus 9, that means 10 should be here. So 10 means 0, you have to note here, and 1 should be noted as a carry. 1 plus 1, that means 2, and 2 plus, because B's value is already here 9, that means 2 plus 7. If we put here 7, then we can get 9, because we assume here 9 also already, so 9 should be also here. That means A's value is 7, and what is the value of B? B's value will be 9. You can see in this solution, students. I hope now you are able to solve each and every question of this exercise, students. Thank you. Now let's see student exercise number 16.2, question number 1. If 21y5 is a multiple of 9. Student, this thing is given already in the question that 21y5 is a multiple of 9 where y is a digit. So we can assume y as a digit, and what will be the value of y? So let's find the answer of this question, because as we know that what is the divisibility rule of 9? For the divisibility rule of 9, so firstly we should add all the digit which is given in the question, 21 y and 5, that means 2 plus 1 plus y plus 5, that means after adding this its value will be y plus 8 or 8 plus y. Student, if we put here the value of y, that means we can assume here 1. So 8 plus 1, that means what will be the value of 9? So 9 is the multiple of 9. So what will be the value of y? That means 1. Similarly, if we put here 2, that means 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 means 10. So 10 is not the multiple of 9. So similarly, if we put here 3, that means 8 plus 3, it is 11. So as we know that 11 is not the multiple of 9. So what will be the value of y? Y value will be 1. Similarly, students, let's see the question number 2. It is similar like question number 1. If this is a multiple of 9 where z is a digit, what is the value of z? But you will find that answers of two answer for the last problem. Why is this so? Let's see. As we know that according to the previous question, firstly we have to add the digits. After adding the digit, what digit will come? 9 plus z. So if we put the value of z here 0, that means 9 plus 0, that means 9 is here, so 9 is the multiple of 9. So if we put here 9 plus 9, that means if we put here z's value 9, that means 9 plus 9, that means 18. So we can put here two values like 0 or 9. So these two are the possible answers. Let's see the next question. In the next question, we have to find out the this is a multiple of 3 where x is a digit, and what will be the value of x. 24x is given in the question, and we have to find out it is the multiple of 3, yes or no. And after this we have to find out the value of x here. So firstly we should add the digits, that means 2 plus 4 plus x, that means 6. After adding 2 plus 4, its value is 6, and x is noted as the similar way, that means plus x. So firstly we put here 0. If we put here x value is 0, that means answer will be 6, and you know that 6 is the multiple of 3. Similarly, if we put here 3, so what will be the value of x? That means x, we put here x value 3, that means answer will be 9. So as we know that 9 is also the multiple of 3. So similarly, if we put here 6, that means 12 will be the answer, and if we put here 9, that means answer is 15. Similarly, you can see here 6 is also the multiple of 3. Similarly, 9 is the multiple of 3. Similarly, 12 is the multiple of 3, and similarly 15 is the multiple of 3. So what will be the values of x here? 0, 3, 6 and 9. Let's see the next question. Similarly, you have to solve this question also. So firstly we should add the digit, that means 3 plus 1 plus 5. 3 plus 1 plus 5, that means 9 should be the answer, and z you have to note like in the similar way, that means 9 plus z, because we can't add the z. So answer is 9 plus z. Now put z is equal to 0, that means 9 plus 0, that means 9. Similarly, if we put z equal to 3, so 9 plus 3, that means 12. So if we put z equal to 6, 9 plus 6, that means 15. And if we put here 9, that means 9 plus 9, that means 18. So you can see here 9 is the multiple of 3. Similarly, 12 is the multiple of 3. Similarly, 15 is the multiple of 3. And similarly, 18 is the multiple of 3. So what are the values of z? 0, 3, 6 and 9. Now I hope students you can solve the full exercise, that means 16.2. Thank you students.